Okay, I'm back. This is problem 1D on the same calculus worksheet. And this time I have a picture drawn. We're going from this AC coordinate to BD again, and we have our f of x and g of x, which are defined functions. And we have a solid here, which has a base R, and for the solid, the cross sections are perpendicular to the x-axis, and they're rectangles whose base lies in R. So I have the base right here, and whose height is 3 times the base. Okay, so I guess I don't really have this drawn correctly. If I had this drawn correctly, this rectangle height would be 3 times whatever this base was. But you can see that I do have rectangles. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to sum up these rectangles from this first x coordinate of A to the second x coordinate of B. All right. I know the area for a rectangle is what? It's, I could say base times height. You could call it length times width. But what is the base here? The base of this rectangle is just f of x minus g of x. And they told me that the height is what? It's 3 times the base. So the height is going to be 3 f of x minus g of x. So the area of my rectangle, now if I sum up these areas of these rectangles, here's my height. Excuse me, here's my base. This would be my base. And this is my height, the 3 times whatever the base was. These together, multiplied together, is the area of one little rectangle. I'm summing up a large number of them. So I have the integral from A to B, and then I have the base here and the height dx. So that is 1D, and I believe that's correct, and that's the answer that is given in the back of the study guide. So I hope that helps a little bit.